X-All Cleaner is marketed as a revolutionary cleaning solution for a wide range of surfaces, promising to eliminate tough stains, bacteria, and even unpleasant odors with minimal effort. The product claims to work on everything from kitchen counters and bathroom tiles to fabrics and car interiors. According to the official website, X-All Cleaner contains a proprietary formula designed to break down dirt at the molecular level, allowing it to remove stains more effectively than traditional cleaners. Independent reviewers and early buyers report mixed results. Some users say it performs exceptionally well on common household stains, leaving surfaces spotless and without chemical residues. Others, however, note that it struggles with certain stubborn stains, such as old grease, ink, or set-in carpet marks, and requires multiple applications. Beyond performance, a significant concern is transparency. While the company lists ingredients broadly, detailed safety data is limited, raising questions about potential allergens or surface compatibility. Customer experiences also vary regarding packaging and delivery. Some buyers praise fast shipping and well-labeled bottles, while others mention delays or damaged packaging upon arrival. Another factor to consider is pricing. X-All Cleaner is positioned as a premium product, and long-term usage may become expensive compared to standard household cleaners. Despite these concerns, it appears that the product is not a scam. Legitimate buyers do receive the product, and it does clean effectively in most cases. However, it is important to manage expectations. X-All Cleaner works best for regular stains and maintenance cleaning rather than extreme or industrial-level messes. If you are looking for an easy-to-use, multi-surface cleaner that generally delivers on its promises, it could be a worthwhile addition to your cleaning routine. But if your goal is an all-in-one miracle solution for every type of stain instantly, it might fall short. In conclusion, X-All Cleaner is a functional product with real benefits, but it is not flawless, and buyers should approach with realistic expectations, proper safety precautions, and understanding of its limitations. For daily household use and moderate cleaning tasks, it can be effective, but extreme cleaning challenges may require additional products or repeated applications to achieve the desired results.